In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replay on TradingView, providing you with a thorough understanding of this powerful feature. If you've ever wanted to backtest your strategies or analyze historical data with precision, this is a tool you'll surely want to master. Let's begin by diving into the bar replay mode, a quintessential feature for anyone looking to analyze past market conditions efficiently. To start, focus your attention on the top toolbar of your chart, where you'll find the rewind icon. It's easily identifiable thanks to its distinctive symbol of two backward-pointing triangles. With just a simple click, this icon transforms your charting interface by activating the bar replay mode, setting the stage for a dynamic walkthrough of past trading events. Once you've turned on bar replay mode, you'll notice a blue vertical line appearing across your chart, looking a bit like scissors poised for action. This line allows you to select a specific starting point for your replay. Hover over the historical data on your chart until you find that perfect moment you want to begin your replay from. A quick click on your chosen historical bar sets everything in motion. Now that you've selected your starting point, it's time to control the replay. The play button is your go-to for commencing the action. Think of it as a remote control that sets everything in motion. As your historical data begins to unfold, take advantage of the on-screen speed slider and media-style controls, perhaps reminiscent of your favorite video player, to tailor the speed of the replay to suit your preference. Whether you want things to move at a rapid pace or prefer a step-by-step analysis, these controls offer you the flexibility to adjust as needed. If you ever want to delve deeper into each bar, simply use the forward button to step through them one at a time, ensuring that you catch every detail. For those of you operating with multiple charts, the next tip will be a game changer. To sync the replay across different charts, including varying time frames and symbols, switch to the All Charts mode. This feature ensures that the historical replay is mirrored across all your open charts, providing a holistic view of market interactions and aiding in comprehensive analysis. Finally, once you're ready to exit replay mode and return to your real-time market data, click on the Jump to Real-Time button. This not only takes you back to the current market conditions, but also closes the replay panel. You can also simply click the rewind icon again to disable the mode altogether, and there you have it. Leveraging TradingView's bar replay feature is a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, offering you a powerful tool to enhance your trading analysis and strategy testing. Thank you for watching, and happy charting!